Alright, just trying to get a quick little video in before it's midnight because I said that I wanted to work on a video each day. And something that I've been working on right here, I bring this up. You know, I got a suggestion from two members of the Bookmap Traders Lab in Discord. And what I'm trying to work on is, just doing an exercise, build up some more statistics. And the question that I'm asking on here, and I can bring up an image. Okay, the question is, inside yesterday's daily value area, what is the probability of getting a 3-point scale from the IBH high or the IBH low? And I may have just ruined one of the statistics here because out of range because I wanted to keep it in range. And I want to test this for 60 days just as an exercise. And I hope that I'm doing this right. I don't have much experience with Excel. Anything I've done on there has just been pre-made sheets, any places that I've worked at. So that's going to be a whole nother deal where I'm going to have to take an Excel course to understand how to do the data analytics. I don't have the experience with that, but I can make a sheet like this, try to mark down the day types, look at this, where's a 3-point scale. Um, I have my investor RT set up so that this will tell me the IBH high and low, those two green lines, and it'll give me each day up until I got to here. So I'm having an issue with this Friday and Monday. It's just giving me one volume profile there. And then look at this, I go to last week. And but this is just clumping Tuesday through Thursday. It's clumping 3 days all together in one volume profile. There it's clumping 2 days together. That's not what I want. So I'm trying to go into these and figure out what's going on with this. I don't know if I can click that and get it to work. Here, and I'll do 60. Let's see if this thing works. So why can't I get each individual day? Okay, that's kind of pissing me off. Dang it. Well, so that's what I've been doing, and I've gone through about about this much so far. I probably have to take that one out because that's not part of the question, and I just kind of noticed it as I'm doing the video here. I gotta have in range day types. So go to metrics maestro here. We have our different day types: high in range, high out of range, low in range, low out of range. That's 4 day types, and then I know in the Traders Lab they talk about different types of neutral days. And each day's unique, so it's hard to, you can have some basic idea kind of from here. And then you have neutral days. This kind of shows days where it's It's kind of neutral. You know, this kind of turns into neutral, but it's higher out of range. I need to start putting together some of those. I don't know, maybe I'll have something in here. It's a neutral. I thought I had a neutral one here. Okay, so this is what they were calling a neutral symmetrical day. And it's just attacking from both sides, so that's both sides active there. It's just ping pong. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Well, I guess that's about as much of a video as I'm making now. I'm trying to have some kind of discipline to put something up each day. I got to work on these statistics some more. And that's about it for now. I'm going to keep working on it tomorrow. It's getting kind of late. Had to do a bunch of work, driving all around today for about 7 hours. So there's quite a bit of work outside of everything else I'm doing. But yeah, I just figured I'd put a little bit of something out right now. See if I got the idea about working on the statistics. So I'll put this up here. If anybody even looks at this video, maybe they can be like, man, you're not getting the idea of putting the statistics together right. And I guess it's a real big flaw. I need to know how to use Excel. That's, how am I going to be able to put together quality statistics if I can't use all those data analytics features that Excel has? And I have enough stuff going on with software. I don't want to buy some other piece of data analytics software and screw around with that. And Excel has been around forever, so there's good materials on how do I use that. So that's enough of a rant there. Have a good night, everyone.